Relax dagje. Please.
Hi, my name is Mariah. I'm coming from a career in interior architecture, but I decided to change the route and build a Landcruiser from 1996 into a remote live and work space with off-grid opportunities of 45 days. Here you can follow the building of and my journey through Europe. In my previous video, you saw how I bought a Landcruiser from 1996. So since I just had a little budget, but with my interior architecture background, I designed my whole interior of the Landcruiser. But now the challenge was to build it by myself with no knowledge and only 2 months of time because I wanted to go through Europe by May. So what I want to do, I was thinking of wrapping this, replacing this and really make one with a nice drawer. Replace that window for an open window, and if I have a budget, still that one too, because my budget is minimal, like minimal. I'm gonna make that black or another pattern or whatever, because I don't like white. I hate white. I don't like this, to be honest, but we're gonna cover the fridge, so with a new bench. I'm gonna make new pillows to sit on, really like a comfortable couch. And then this whole roof needs to be done also. The sides needs to be done with a filt or something, because it's really it's not nice, but also depends on the budget. Then this I also want to cover with wrap, and new floor, of course, and new curtains. So yeah, lots to do. I decided for an expert who is professional in building vents. I needed a little bit help of what is technically possible. And we're gonna discuss what is possible with this beautiful baby. Yeah, a lot needs to rebuild, but we're both architects, so I really believe in the magic of co-creating. Okay. First measurements. Test. I started with emptying the full car, and oh, that was a whole journey. Please pay attention to my little niece suddenly wearing my motor helmet. Damn. This is already complicated, to break it down, and I don't know if I will put it back in the same position with the same cables. Well, I'm lucky that I have a little help by my side. My little niece, 8 years old, loves to help me and dream about the adventures in the Landcruiser. Even though these are just little hands, they are just enough to rebuild it. I'm really grateful. And also, we have the most beautiful conversations, dreaming already where our next destination will be. We're discussing here what we're gonna mount in next. Meanwhile, I continue the design of the interior in specific measurements and, of course, ordering all the material samples.
Relax dagje.
The third thing that is most important with rebuilding a Landcruiser is isolation. After I emptied the whole car, it's time to wrap it with the right isolation materials. Do you want to see the continuation of the conversion? Then follow Cruiser Journeys and see you next time.